Kyla is tremendous on the uneven bars. Without a doubt, she's the top gymnast in the US right now, and this event was, in my opinion, the major reason she was on that team in 2012, but it's not going to be enough to move her ahead of Simone Biles. But it's wonderful to watch. Beautiful release here. She just floats. Another release. So confident the coach doesn't even stand next to the bar. A little bit of an elbow bend on that. Dismount. It was beautiful, but I'm pretty sure that that routine starts at a 16.4.